Hey guys, it's Taya back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I take my old 6-7 day twist out and turning it into a high bun. If you guys are interested in seeing me do this, then just keep watching. So jumping right into the tutorial, I'm going to be creating a high bun with a sock. So this is pretty much like a hair donut, and I was just trying to figure out a way to get like a really full bun. I didn't want like the small bun that the hair donut would create. So I just decided to take a sock, and you guys, it's clean, don't worry, I did not put a dirty sock in my head. So I took a sock and I'm just wrapping it around the hair donut, and I'm pretty much just showing you guys how I'm doing it. I'm just wrapping and pulling it through the hole, and this is just going to give me or create the illusion of me having a super full bun, because that is the look that I'm going for. So once I'm done with that piece, I'm just going to tuck it in there, and this is how it looks, guys. So as you guys can see, I'm all done with that. So now I'm just going to be splitting my hair in half, and I know some of you guys have had like trouble like sleeking your hair down, especially my type 4 girls hair. I know sometimes we'll have some trouble sleeking our hair down, but with this method I find it to be pretty easy. Once I've split my hair in half, I'm just going to be taking my Taliah waajid. I think this is the curling cream. And you guys, as you can see, it's almost gone. I like love this stuff. When I say I love this stuff, I'm going to be doing an empties video. And yes, guys, this is going to be part of it because I unfortunately did finish it while doing this style. That's how much I love this stuff. I go in, y'all, like when I use this stuff. It's just so nice. But enough about the curling cream. I'm going to be spraying water in my hair, and you guys can do this before or after you put the product in. I kind of forgot, so I just went in with the water after. And so now I'm just taking my brush, and this is a hard bristle brush, and you don't want to really go through the curls, but you just want to go through enough so that your hair lays flat. And then of course you may want to go in with a little bit more product, and I also think I went in here with a little bit of the Wetline Extreme. Now I'm just putting this first half into a pony, and then I will start working on the second half. And guys, don't make it too tight because it will give you a headache at the end of the day. So I'm pretty much just doing the same thing here, guys. I'm just putting the Taliah waajid curling cream all over the edges of my hair, and I'm just taking my brush and I'm just tying it up with another scrunchie, and I'm just tying it together. So you could either use 3 scrunchies. I opted to use 2 just to save scrunchies. So I just went on ahead and I just tied those together, and this also helps with how tight it's going to be. I find that when I use the 3 scrunchies, I tend to get a headache, so I just decided to go ahead and just do 2. So here, guys, I'm just spraying a little bit of my hair oil. You guys know I have been obsessed with this hair oil lately. Yes, like I love this hair oil. And then after that, I'm just taking a little bit of the curling cream in my hands and running that through my hair just to give my hair some volume. And that's also going to help create a nice big bun look. I'm going to be taking the donut sock that I created, and I'm pushing that through, well, pushing my hair through the hole, just getting it, you know, nice and tight. And then I'm also going to just be fluffing my hair out a little bit more, making sure that my hair covers the bun, because you guys see that the donut is black and my hair is like blonde and auburn. So I want to make sure that I cover the my entire head, or cover the entire donut sock with my hair. And I have a lot of hair, so don't worry, you guys. You guys will not see the little hair tie that I used to lay my hair down, because I'm going to go ahead and stick my hair in. And then this part, I'm just pretty much pulling some of my hair from out of the donut, not giving it such like a perfect, you know, you don't have to make it perfect. I just wanted it to be big, but it doesn't have to be perfect. So once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and lay or go ahead and put some bobby pins in, just so that it's nice and smooth and everything looks nice and neat, and that there are no flyaways once I go outside. And that's pretty much it for that part, you guys. After I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and lay my edges. And I know you can see the scrunchie that I use, but don't worry, you won't see that at the end, because I know somebody probably gonna say something about that, like, girl, you ain't even tuck your little bobby pin all the way in. Don't worry, hon, I'ma fix it at the end, okay? So now I'm just laying my edges. I thought I'd try to slay just a little bit for you guys, just a little something, you know. I try to do a little something because I normally don't lay my edges. So today I decided, you know, since my face is well, since my hair is all the way back, I'll go ahead and lay my edges down. So that is what I'm doing. Oh, and a tip, you guys, if you guys are going to see the queen like me, because for some reason I'm laying my edges like I'm going to see the Queen of England or something, honey. But anyway, save your buns and your high puffs for old stretched hair. I don't think I would ever do this style on freshly washed clean hair. So that's just a little tip for you guys. And here I'm just tying my scarf down so everything can be nice and neat. I left that on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, this is the final look. I'm just checking myself out in the mirror, just admiring all this glow. Look guys, wait for it, wait for it. Hey, look at that highlight. Yes, boo, I see you. Okay girl, you cute or whatever. Can you just be serious for 1 second? Okay, enough of that. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll talk to you in the next one, and stay blessed.